Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Hani. Today I'm going to show you how GIS can help us to protect our climate. At first, I'm going to add my datas. Uh, First, here is the map tab, and these are the groups. And from the view tab, here also some groups, and I'll go to pen sets, and there is mapping. At the right side there is catalog pane, and at the left side there is content panes. In the content pane, so we can see there is the layers and maps, and in the catalog pane there are the toolboxes, maps, databases, folders. So I'm clicking on the map, and there is the add data function from the Living Atlas. I'm going to input an imagery layer. In the search bar, I'm writing global land cover, and then I'm going to hit the enter. Here is the global land cover from 1992 to 2020. If I click on the arrow, there is the symbologies. In the symbology, the pink color indicates croplands, the green colors indicates trees, and the red color indicate the urban areas. So there is now I'm going to locate my interested area. So I'm clicking on the locate button. In the locate, I have to search the area. So I am writing Rondônia, Brazil. It's an area in the Brazil, in the Amazon forest. So I have inputted data from Living Atlas. From Living Atlas, we can collect authentic data, and it's the data from 1992 to 2020. So in the upper side, we can see here a time series, and actually it's a time series function. If we click on the push button, start and push button, here we can see in 1992 or in 1994 there was a lot of greenery scenario. That means the forest was large enough, and the portion of the pink color and red color was too much small. If we restart the function, we can see that the pink color is increasing, also the red colors. Yeah. So we have seen that from in 1992 the greenery was too much, and now in 2020 the pink color is increased and the green scenario is decreased. So we can say that there is a lot of deforestation, and we know that deforestation is a great impact to is a great impact to our climate. So it's a reason to our global warming. And I want to say one thing, that this project and this tasks I have gained from the Esri, their MOOC program GIS for Climate Action, and I would like to show my sincere gratitude to the Esri to giving us that awesome opportunity. So, uh, thank you everyone. Thank you so much.